here on the Mazda stand at Brussels Motor Show 2026, and we have the all-new world premiere of the Mazda CX-6e. Built in collaboration with Changan, Chinese manufacturer. You've got that Mazda iconic front end going on very much like what we've seen on the 6e, which is also a Changan joint collaboration. Gorgeous cars. Mazda do a really great job of how they actually design their vehicles. You've got that daytime running light that goes around there, and then that high-low beam module is there. Gorgeous Aero wheels, gloss black around the wheel arches, and we've got Mazda embossed into the bottom of the doors there as well. Pop-out door handles, and we have cameras for mirrors, tinted in the rear, and then at the back, looks like a large, excuse me, losing my voice here, boot, the CX-6e. Very nice tails. And you can see this lovely Aero element here with the reflectors underneath and a large Mazda wire back down at the back. Nice F1 inspired rear brake light with a window wiper. Window wiper, as much as it's practical, probably takes the look away from this here. What do you think of the style? What do you think of the colour? Oh, the front bonnet has Aero in it. You can see it just at the bottom there. So very much like the Jag I-Pace back in the day. So what do we know about the 6e? Price look likely to start around €50,000. It's their second electric SUV. If you can remember, we have the back on the channel, that rear hinged doors a couple of years ago. And it's trying to focus on that Jinba Ittai, the driver and car as one philosophy. The long range version, 80 kilowatt hour, offers up to 345 miles, over 500 kilometers. MBUX rivaling interior with a focus on tactile premium materials, charging 200 kilowatt on the DC, 10 to 80% in 22 minutes. Let's see if we can have a look on the inside. Frameless doors as well, which is nice. Oh, it's nice two-tone. So you can see two-tone and that large driver center console and passenger screen. So you can see the screens on the doors then as well. Yeah, very nice. Colour is gorgeous. That kind of an aubergine metallic with that matching interior in two-tone. That is a first look on the outside of the CX-6e. What do you think? Is it on your list? Let me have a look to see if I can get in behind this gentleman here. There's the 6e that we have on the channel already that we drove. Let's go around this way. Mazda, busy stand in Brussels. Busy, busy stand. And this is where the 6e was last year, if you remember that video. So let's see if I can get around to this side to see if we can get a look into the back seat. It is very much a sales event here, so you can see people with tablets out. You can see people with... No, I'm not going to be able to try. Sorry folks, I thought I'd get a better access to this car, but hopefully Mazda Europe will get me into one of them soon on the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Hit the like button, leave a comment, share the video, and remember, if you think an EV is for you, leave it to me and I'll review. Thank you very much for watching.